Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology one night before an exam. First, identify the most crucial topics from your syllabus or study guide. Don't try to reread everything. Instead, concentrate on areas where you know you're weakest or that your instructor emphasized. Use visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts to grasp complex processes quickly. Active recall is your best friend, so quiz yourself frequently. This approach maximizes your limited time and targets essential information for better retention. To make the most of your limited time, divide your study material into smaller, digestible sections. This prevents overwhelm and allows for focused learning. Employ mnemonics, like acronyms or silly sentences, to recall difficult biological terms or pathways. For example, King Philip came over for good soup for taxonomy. Additionally, look over any previous quizzes or homework assignments to identify recurring concepts and question styles. This helps you anticipate what might appear on the exam. One highly effective technique is to explain concepts out loud, as if you're teaching someone else. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge and reinforces what you already know. Compile a brief summary sheet with key definitions, formulas, and diagrams to review just before the exam. Finally, and crucially, ensure you get a minimum of 6 to 7 hours of sleep. Rest is vital for memory consolidation and clear thinking during the test. On exam day, start with a nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain and maintain concentration throughout the test. Avoid sugary snacks that can lead to energy crashes. Aim to arrive at the exam location a bit early. This gives you time to relax, organize your thoughts, and avoid last-minute stress. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other helpful deals. Take a few deep breaths before you begin, and read all instructions carefully. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.